In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this plus to add a new one and adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit days of the week, hit alarm name and label it. Now you can click on those three switches next to alarm sound, vibration and snooze to disable or enable them. If you decided to enable them, click on left side of the one you wish to manage. For example, let's start with alarm sound. Now you can pick one of those sound sources and adjust the volume of your alarm at the bottom. When you want to, you can click Spotify and log in, or hit Ringtone to manage those two switches, pick any of those sounds and go back. Or hit this plus at the top right corner, decide if you wish to play selected highlights, click on any song from your smartphone and hit done at the top right corner to set it up. Go back, hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat, and tap on vibration to select the best pattern for your alarm, or select silent at the top. You can also scroll all the way down and hit alarm background. Now hit background at the top left corner. Choose allow all, pick one of those and hit done right away, or select background, click on any photo from your device and click on done at the top right corner to save it. Now choose save at the bottom right corner to add your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it and make your changes. Then hit save. And to get rid of it, just hold it and tap delete at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!